Welcome to Kintoz Point of Sale. Let's get started. This video is a walkthrough for installing the X printer to your computer. After running the application, you will be redirected to this setup. After reading the license agreement, click Accept. Then click Next. Leave the checkbox if you wish to create a desktop shortcut. Then click Next. Now, click Install to continue with the installation. Once this is done, launch the X printer driver. To configure, select the following settings. Currently, we are using Windows 10. The printer interface should be set to USB. For the printer series, select XP76. Then, set this as the default printer. To finalize, click Install Now. Once successful, you may close the setup. Please note that the USB port where the printer is connected will be the default port. If the printer is placed on a different USB port, the computer may not detect the printer. In this scenario, the user has two options. The user may reconnect the printer to the original port, or will have to reconfigure the printer driver settings as shown here. To find out which USB port was used for installing the printer, click on Check USB port. With the printer driver installed, there's a few more changes to be applied. First, go to your computer's settings, then click on Devices and Printers. Select the printer XP76 on which USB port it was installed to. Then go to Device Settings. The manual paper feed should be 76 by 3276 mm. Then set directional to be bidirectional. If a cache drawer is connected, set this to cache drawer before printing. Click Apply. Then OK. Afterwards, select the printer preferences. Then click on Advanced. For graphic print quality, select 160 by 144 dots per inch. Click OK. Then click Apply. On a final note, here are other configurations that can help. If you are having trouble printing, open the print queue. Then, make sure that Use Printer Offline is unchecked. This will change the status from offline into idle. And again, open the printer properties. Go to Advanced. And select Print directly to the printer. Click Apply to make sure these settings are saved. These settings will optimize printing quality and speed. There you have it. Thank you for watching.